Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got some problems with my Google Chrome, so my browser. First of all, I highly recommend to force stop this app and then clear cache. So let's find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then go to this info section. Here let's begin with tapping on force stop, and as you can see it is completely turned off, so let me just enter it, go to the info again, and here we've got this force stop. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Basically, if the app is opened in the background and it is not visible in the recents, it might interfere and cause some problems. So force stop is a must. Then I highly recommend to go to the storage, and here we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, and they are not really necessary to use the app properly. Moreover, they might interfere if you've got a lot of cache saved. So just tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove them. What I also recommend to do after this whole operation is to either try to open the app, and if it is not working, then repeat all of the steps and reset your device to confirm all of the changes. So to reset your device, you have to press the power button and volume up button together once, and then drag this ball to this reboot option. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and this operation will, let's say, confirm all of the changes we've made in app information. And hopefully after turning on the app again, it will work perfectly fine. If not, you can try to update the app, because sometimes older versions stop working properly. So we have to open the Play Store. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. It is also required. You can check how to do it using our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So let's go to the Play Store. Here all we have to do is to tap on search and enter the name of the specific app we'd like to update. Tap on Chrome in my case, and as you can see here we've got our results. It is installed, obviously, so if there is an update pending, you will be able to simply tap on update here, and now your device will download the update, and after that it will be automatically applied, so you do not really have to do anything more. After that you can try to force stop your app again and then try to open it. If that doesn't work, I highly recommend to simply go back to this Play Store, tap on Google Chrome, and basically if it is updated, etc., here you will have the option uninstall, and by removing it from your device's memory and installing the newest version directly, you might get rid of some problems. So as I said, just tap on uninstall, which is right here, then wait a second until it will be fully uninstalled, then tap on install. It should appear somewhere here, and hopefully it will work. If not, you can also try, as a last resort, check the system updates, because also older versions of the system might cause some problems, especially with newer versions of the apps. So go to the settings, then go to About Phone, and simply tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. Basically, you need to be logged in into your Xiaomi account in order to be able to check for the updates. But basically, if your device will show you that you've got the update pending, simply tap on download or update and apply the new system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.